I've been a huge fan of using aloe vera not only for skin irritation, but as part of my regular skincare routine. And I recently switched to using this Aloderma 96% aloe vera gel. There's a lot of different aloe vera gel brands available on the market now, but besides the purity level, there's two main things that really stood out to me about this particular aloe vera gel. The first of which being that it comes with this nice plastic skincare spatula. As you can see here, the lid of this aloe vera gel has a really clever design where the layer on the inside is not only to protect the aloe vera gel from contaminants, but it also functions as a place to hold the spatula that fits perfectly inside this inner lid, and also it has this small latch on it so that you're able to remove it without any chance of getting your oils from your finger into the gel. And of course, with this skincare spatula, once you take the lid off the aloe vera gel, you can use it to scoop the aloe vera gel out and then apply it directly to your face to, again, avoid getting the oils from your fingers into the gel while you're using it. And I know that this skincare spatula might seem like a small detail, but it's something that really does help at keeping the purity of your products, and is something that I usually only see included with high-end Korean skincare brands. The second thing that makes this aloe vera gel really stand out to me would be the texture of the gel. As you can see, the texture of this aloe vera gel is really thick, and when you apply it to your face, it feels almost like applying a lotion or cream instead of having that overly watery feeling that a lot of aloe vera gels tend to have. And since the texture of this aloe vera gel is so thick, when you apply it to your face, you're able to spread it around a lot more evenly and have a lot of control over the amount of gel that you're putting on any given part of your face, along with just feeling really nice. And in my experience, it really helps a lot with achieving that shiny glass skin effect that a lot of people like. So if you're looking for some high quality aloe vera gel to add to your skincare routine that has an awesome texture to work with, is positioned like a high-end skincare product, and will help you achieve that glass skin effect, pick up this Aloderma 96% aloe vera gel for yourself today, and you're gonna be set.